Hello and welcome to Maxed Out PC TV. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how far I've got with the Nexus 810 Super Tower chassis case. At the moment I've got the air quarter block connected with the barb fittings. I've got the Dominator RAM installed, which is 1866 megahertz platinum edition with light bars, interchangeable light bars, so you can have different colours on there, but I haven't seen any different colours yet. I've got the EVGA motherboard installed. I've got a lot of cable management to do. I've got the AX860i PSU with Link Technology power supply, which I can't wait to use and find it out. Got loads of grommet holes and everything like that to make it so it's really nice and tidy. I've also got two SP120 120mm fans connected to the rads. I've also at the top, let me get this off here so I can show you what I've done to the top. Sorry, it's a bit jerky. At the top I've installed two 120 fans at the top. There's a push-pull configuration, which, to be honest with you, I don't think that's going to make much of a difference, but if it does, that's all good. Also, I've got the front reservoir bay, but not installed properly yet. As you can see, I could move it around and stuff because I haven't really connected it up. I'm going to be doing that soon. Got the BitFenix Fan Controller installed as well, and that's it for now until when I can actually, well, actually I'm going to get onto it now and see if I can get some more results on this, get it fixed as quick as possible. I want to see it up and running, and then I want to do some benchmarking as well. So if you've got any ideas or any comments, please leave them. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.